What emotions tell you? In this lesson, we'll learn why emotions matter in our lives. Write down every emotion you can think of. Definition of an emotion. Emotion is a feeling such as happiness, anger, or fear. What are Akalay's emotions saying as you look at the image? Akalay started a new science unit in biology. She's really excited about the topic and interested in what she's learning. What are Akalay's emotions telling her? How could this information be useful to her? Possible answers. Emotion can tell us about what we like and what we don't like to do or learn. They can give us information about what hobbies, sports, or even careers we might want to do. What are David's emotions saying? David recently had a conversation with a new kid at summer camp. When he thinks about the conversation, he feels happy. He has a lot in common with this person and wants to get to know them better. What are David's emotions telling him? How could this information be useful to him? Possible answers could include emotions can tell us about people we like to be around. They can give us information about who we want to have as friends, who we want to date, and who we want to work with on a project. What are Sonia's emotions saying? An adult Sonia has seen in her neighborhood, but doesn't know very well, offers to give her a ride home. The offer makes her feel uneasy and a little scared. What are Sonia's emotions telling her? How could this information be useful to her? Possible answers. Emotions can tell us about whether we're safe or not. They can give us information about people, places, or activities that are okay or that we might want to avoid. Are all emotions important? Why are all emotions important, even the unpleasant ones? What kind of information might unpleasant emotions tell us? Think about a time when you didn't listen to your emotions. What happened? What emotion or emotions did you feel? What do you think your emotions were trying to tell you? What could you have done differently if you had listened to your emotions?